A good morning. So, okay. It's actually a difficult task. After such a scintillating performance by the Malcolm guys, I mean, heartbeats would have gone up from 72 to 100. But ठीक है, I think we are here for a mix of knowledge, enjoyment, fellowship, and I think Rotary mixes it all up very nicely, like a cocktail. So, thank you for the introduction. You've been very kind. But yes, for 14 years of my professional life, I followed my heart. Sorry, I followed my mind, and then I started following my heart. So, it's been like દુનિયા જોઈ લીધી પછી કીધું કે હવે સમાજમાં શું કરવું છે I'll start doing. Literacy, the topic, many a times literacy is ठीक है अक्षर ज्ञान पढ़ाई करो. Many a times in service organizations it's like service projects. There's a wonderful statement by Mark Twain, the famous Tom Sawyer, Huckleberry Finn author. I never let my schooling interfere with my education. Very profound words if you really look at it. I never let my schooling interfere with my education. Because education, definition nowadays has gone for a toss. We feel we mix it up. We mix it up with literacy. We mix information with knowledge. We mix a lot of these very different words which have a lot of implications. There is a difference between education. Education में भी हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? English should be fine, right? English should be fine, or English would be fine, I think. English, चलो ना. मराठीमध्ये बोलू शकतो, but मराठी लोक थोडं कमी असेल इथे. Anyways, education is not just academic. जो अपने बच्चे स्कूल में जाते हैं, the children go to school, that is academic education. There are other emotional, spiritual, and I would say academic तो हम करते ही है. So it's a combination of a lot more things. But हम focus करते हैं normally education में academic part पे, grades पे, CGPA, whatever, you know the story. And literacy, well, literacy till 20th century, the definition was always about read and write, अक्षर ज्ञान, and basic calculation करने को आता है कि नहीं आता है. That's literacy. I think all of us would agree to that. Education set up by the Britishers was actually meant to, sorry to say it, but it was meant to help their administrative, tantra, the administrative setup. They wanted people who will not think much. India had a legacy of a wonderful education system. We had the Gurukuls, we had Takshashila and Nalanda. We had people coming in from China and Japan to probably learn out here. But times have changed, and India is actually, I think, Indian education system has a lot to be answered. Rather than making it very boring, because क्या हो जाएगा, education as a topic can be very boring. I thought I'll spice it up with a little AV. It's an audio visual of 3-4 minutes, but it is talking of what education is in present day India. I hope you see the AV not just for the entertainment part of it, but also behind the message which comes out of this AV. Can I have the AV? Do flowers fly?
Now, realization of standing of the basic building and calculation of the merit of your standing in the right and your remit. Now, realization. Shh. Merit of your standing in the right and your remit. Calculation of the merit of your standing. Right!
Yep, that should be. Education is na. I think most of us have gone through this education system. हम सब इसके products हैं. Most of us. There are very few schools which get into alternative education. और माँ बाप को डर भी लगता है ये alternate education में जाएगा तो पता नहीं बच्चे का क्या होगा. I don't know whether he will be able to cope up in the competitive world or not. The sad part is it takes away the joy of learning. This system is taking away the joy of learning. Literacy is important. But the topic today which I'm going to be talking of, literacy in the 21st century. Times have changed. ये तो एक स्टूडेंट डिप्लोमा प्रोजेक्ट था. आपने कमर्शियली सक्सेसफुल फिल्म्स भी देखी. तारे ज़मीं पे, थ्री इडियट्स, डेड पोएट सोसाइटी. I mean, those were Hollywood, Bollywood. Hollywood की बात करें तो Dead Poets Society, and there's another one which is Stand and Deliver. Hollywood also talks of the same thing. Education system across the world is a challenge. बच्चों को हम बड़े बनाना चाहते हैं, but हम बच्चे नहीं बन सकते हैं. And that's the sad part of education. Anyways, education में जो literacy का topic है, literacy itself has gone a wide amount of change. The world has changed more in the last 50 years than it has changed in the last 500 years. Last 50 साल में जितना change हुआ है उतना last 500 साल से ज़्यादा world change हुआ है. And in the next 15 years, the world is going to change more than it has changed in the last 550 years. We all are experiencing it. I think many of us have shifted from black and white TVs to LEDs and to touch screens and Android TVs and whatnot. I think times are changing. It's changing by the minute, by the hour. What about literacy? Literacy की मैं बात करूँ. Has literacy undergone a change? If yes, what is it? Next. Literacy, redefining literacy. What is 21st century like? I think all of us agree to that. Stress बढ़ गया है, digital हो गया है, competitive है. Just to give an example, I don't know how many of you know it. There are 14 lakh engineers coming out every year in India. 14 lakh engineers passing out, which is more than the amount US and China produces total. उनका total भी 14 lakhs नहीं हो रहा है. अभी इतने सारे engineers तो बन गए, उनके लिए skills, उनकी jobs, those challenges are there. So it's going to be 21st century. हम change नहीं कर पाएंगे. You can bring in yoga, meditation, you can bring in stress busters, but this is the ground reality. 21st century is going to be like this. And our children are going to stay in this century. They are going to be hooked to the smartphones and whatnot. Next. So what I feel is today's topic, in the next 10-15 minutes, I'm going to be talking of what literacy actually means. Even for big organizations like Rotary, should we redefine literacy? What it is? Literacy, I think what I have tried to compile, the 21st century citizen needs to have a combination of such skills, not just ना, वो नहीं चलेगा. वो फिर engineer बन के 7,000 की नौकरी करता है. That doesn't work. Not only engineer, MBA, what not. Many of these are ground realities जो most of us know. What are these baskets which I'll be talking of in terms of foundational literacy, character qualities and competencies? बड़े बड़े words हैं, मैं इसको बहुत simplify करूँगा. I won't use management jargon या let's say NGO jargon बोलो, education jargon बोलो, वो use नहीं करूँगा. Next, what are the, I'll touch upon each one of this. Starts with the foundation literacy. Foundation literacy में what we do as monthly service projects does come in. I mean, it's basic literacy. Learning the language, the alphabets, the basic numbers, basic calculation. But all of us know, housewives यहाँ बहुत बैठी हैं, they might be spouses or Rotary members. आप लोगों से अच्छा मैथ्स आपका सब्जी वाला करता है कि नहीं? करता है. Because he's practicing maths. सब लोगों ने पाइथागोरस का नाम सुना है? Pythagoras theorem. How many of you know where Pythagoras is used in real life? अरे वो तो नहीं पता भाई, a square और b square और c square और वो सब पता है. The problem is हमने baskets बना दिए हैं. Maths, we never consider that as a subset of most of the subjects. Pythagoras कहाँ रियल लाइफ में यूज होता है? मैग्नेटिज्म. मैं यहाँ बोलूँगा मैग्नेटिज्म हमने सबने सुना है, नॉर्थ पोल, साउथ पोल, लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स और सब पता है. यहाँ मैं बोलूँगा ना कि 15 चीज़ों में मैग्नेट्स कहाँ यूज होता है? 15 different appliances. Believe me, 50% of us would not be able to make that list of 15 things. 2-5 कर लेंगे. The problem is we are not able to implement the theory in real life situations. And that's where I think we need more of Madhavan and Amir Khans of Three Idiots and less of the Chaturs of Three Idiots. The problem is our present education system, 95% of the schools are churning out Chaturs in real life. They are not churning out the Amir Khans of real life. And that's where I think we as foundation, we are trying to work some things. We are working in, I put my teachers in close to 300 schools. We pay them. They work in some of the most interior tribal areas of our district. We maths, science, computers, life skills, career counseling, a lot of things which are required. जो हम लोग अपने करिकुलम में है नहीं, अपने सिलेबस में है नहीं. हमको सबको उसकी एक क्या बोलते हैं खालीपन महसूस होता है. But nobody is teaching us those things, and we learn it the hard way. We don't know critical thinking और बाद में जब जॉब में बॉस फायर करता है तब पता चलता है ओ ये इसको बोलते हैं critical thinking. अच्छा. I'll start learning about it. I think many a times it's learning by mistakes. We are not incorporating those things. So literacy and numeracy होना चाहिए. That's the foundation. You need to know the tables, you need to know the alphabets, you need to know the simple words. Scientific literacy थोड़ा बहुत आना ही चाहिए. ICT is information and communications technology, computers, Windows, एप्पल, एंड्रॉइड, क्रोम, क्या है? बेसिक्स तो आना चाहिए. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि यू नीड टू बी मास्टर्स. बेसिक्स आएगा तो यू विल बी एबल टू सर्वाइव इन 21st century. Financial literacy. If I say that most of the developed countries in US and Europe and Japan and Korea, Singapore, they actually make sure कि उनके future citizens को financial literacy होना चाहिए. I am not going to ask, but कितने लोगों को यहाँ इंडिया का बजट पर कितना है इन डॉलर, इन इंडियन रुपीस पता है? कितने लोगों को यहाँ इंडिया का जीडीपी इन ट्रिलियन डॉलर्स पता है? नो, वी डोंट टेक द बिगर पिक्चर, वी डोंट कनेक्ट द डॉट्स. मेनी टाइम्स हमको लगता है ये सब चीज़ों से हमको क्या लेना देना, बट लेना देना होता है. दैट एक्चुअली ड्रिल्स डाउन टू आवर लेवल, टू एन इंडिविजुअल लेवल. कल्चरल एंड सिविक लिटरेसी. मैं अगर बोलूँ आप वेनेजुएला में टाइम पे खाने पहुंचोगे, यू आर अ गेस्ट एंड अ होस्ट फैमिली हैज इनवाइटेड. वेनेजुएला में आप टाइम पे पहुंचोगे, यू विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ ग्रीडी पर्सन. साला भूखा है. गोइंग देयर ऑन. और वही चीज आप फिनलैंड में लेट पहुंचोगे तो आपको खराब देखेंगे. ही इज नॉट हैविंग द बेसिक कर्टेसी. कल्चर्स आर डिफरेंट. इफ यू गिफ्ट अ क्लॉक एंड अ अम्ब्रेला इन चाइना, they might be kind enough to not beat you, but actually you are committing a severe cultural mistake. They are things associated with death and funeral. Many of us don't know it. ठीक है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? It's a nice clock, I'll gift it to my Chinese friend. These are things, I mean, these are international cultural, but there are a lot of things which are there at the local level, at our community level, at our national level. These are not many a times imbibed into our citizens of tomorrow. I mean, citizens or adults of tomorrow. Citizens तो आज भी है, but adults of tomorrow. And that's where the lacunas are. Next, so these things form the foundation, probably at the primary level. और उसके आगे we can build up on competencies which are critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration. 21st century is not about Sachin Tendulkar. It's about the present Indian team. It's about teamwork. It's about collaboration. आप अकेले brilliant होगे नहीं चलेगा. You need to be collaborative and leverage on each other's strengths. आपको बड़े Rotary is definitely a symbol of that. But many a times companies में everybody tries to go solo. They try to just work on their strengths and highlight their achievements. It doesn't work, and it will not work in the 21st century. We need to collaborate. We need to have critical thinking. We need to have positive attitude, problem-solving ability. ये सारे subjects हैं कहाँ? Where are those subjects in our schools? और जो कराते भी हैं, वो हमको हाँ ना की तरह ही ये subjects भी सिखाए जाते हैं. We might have value education, we might have life skills in our schools, but do the children really take the learnings of that and implement in day-to-day life? I have my serious doubts about that. There are exceptions, but majority of the schools, most of the schools में ये सारी चीजें को इतना importance दिया नहीं जाता. Right now, our education system is a factory producing literate students who are not in sync with the real need and the real-time requirements. And the sad part is, the system, because it's a legacy system, चले आ रहा है, हम भी चला रहे हैं. वो बोलते हैं ना, ट्रेन चल रही है, धक्का मारो, हम भी उसी में, we are continuing with that. Anyways, so you had the foundation, you had the competences. At the last point would be, next, character qualities. कैरेक्टर बनेगा नहीं तो आगे आपका लड़का स्मार्ट, लड़का या लड़की स्मार्ट, ब्राइट, सक्सेसफुल एडल्ट कैसे बनेगा? आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी, द 5 W's. कैन एनीबडी से विच आर द 5 W's? Why, what, where, when, how is the 1 H? But you have those 5. Okay, यहाँ सब लोगों ने देखा होगा, many of you are from, most of you would have seen it, the Indians. रिलायंस के पेट्रोल पंप बीच में बंद हुए थे, फिर चालू हुए, कुछ अभी भी बंद है. Have any of you ever thought कि ये क्यों हुआ? Go to the root cause. क्यों ये हुआ? क्या रीजन था? Many a times होगा कुछ, it has something to do with Mukesh, it has something to do with Reliance. हमको क्या लेना देना है? But if you have that inquisitive mind, You might have learnt about oil price, the Brent oil pricing. You might have learned about the subsidy model. You might have learnt about the difference in the government's policy towards the public sector and the private sector oil companies. You would have learnt about the import cost and the selling price limit. You would have learnt a lot of things. But it starts from curiosity. Reliance was importing at $60, value adding $10 or 70 में उसको बेचने को नहीं. Government was saying $65 में बेचना है. The petrol pumps were actually incurring a loss of probably certain crores a day. उसलिए दे वो बोला बंद करना ही अच्छा है भाई, rather than चलाओ और loss करो. Now all this is available. It's available. Information is now just hey Google, hi Google. But हम उसको पूछना तो पड़ेगा ना. Google is not going to throw up कि पेट्रोल पंप बाजू से गया और it will speak out कि ये इसका history है. So we need to be curious. Our children need to be curious. और हमारे यहाँ classrooms में क्या होता है? Stay quiet. Be disciplined. Do not ask questions. जैसे I think cartoon में दिखाया था. Just wipe out your. I think a quiet class is not a good class. I can tell you that much. A quiet class will produce robots. They will not produce intellectuals. And I think India always had a history of creating intellectual, proficient people. We had a beautiful system. Somewhere we lost our way. So these are the areas: curiosity, initiative lene ka, grit, persistence, resilience, adaptability, leadership, social and cultural awareness. ये सारी चीजें नहीं सिखाएंगे बच्चे को, he is not going to be a complete human being. Somewhere or the other, he is going to be a misfit. I think we need to have a blend of academics, emotional, spiritual. You know, वो सारा develop होगा बच्चे का, तो he or she is going to blossom. They are going to be happy. They are going to be confident. They are going to probably reach the peaks, the pinnacles of their line, whatever they take up. हम सबको करना है, but we don't go through the processes. We don't rechange our thinking. We don't rechange what literacy means, what academics means, what education means. हमारी परिभाषा जो 40 साल पुरानी थी, वही हम अपने बच्चे पे आज भी डाल रहे हैं. ये तेरे को 97% क्यों आया? Where did the 3% go? Why are you not the first in the class? Being first in the class is not important. What is important is the child able to learn and retain what he has learned? That is more important. Next. So I think the C's, there are 5 C's of change: critical thinking, collaboration, communication, self-control and comprehension and creativity. ये चक्र दिमाग में चलते रहना चाहिए बच्चे का. I am talking about 21st century child. He or she needs to keep on improving, because you have to learn, you have to unlearn and relearn new things in the 21st century. I think WhatsApp में आपने देखा रहेगा, there is a typewriter वाली जो होती है secretary. She is like used to ना typewriter में तो like this, and then she is given a desktop. So एक line type करके वो monitor को उड़ा देती है, because she is used to. She is not unlearned the typewriter. यहाँ पे भी we need to unlearn, keep on continuously unlearn. Windows 98 भूल जाओ, Windows अभी जो touch वाला आ रहा है वो वाला सीखो. You need to continuously do it. And it's not only for the children, it's also for the adults. WhatsApp अभी ऐसा है, 4 साल में WhatsApp भी change हो जाएगा, उसका profile पूरा change हो जाएगा. You need to keep on adapting. You need to keep on innovating. You need to keep on discovering. And you need to be inquisitive. So I think this cycle needs to keep on continuing. Next. So this is, please don't go into there's a very visually text heavy slide. But as per me, 21st century literacy is a combination of traditional literacy, what social organizations like Rotary and other do, and they are trying to do it on a mass scale, which is traditional reading, writing, speaking, listening. But we are talking of information literacy. We are talking of visual literacy, critical literacy, media literacy. काफी time WhatsApp में ऐसे गलत message आते हैं, and people are forwarding that. You are not able to find the difference between what is right and what is wrong. That is literacy. That is digital literacy. Many a times we might give away our passwords. We are not aware. That is digital literacy. That is media literacy. हमारे बच्चों को ये सारी चीजें आनी पड़ेगी. Dhirubhai Ambani was fourth pass, but he sent both his children to US for their masters at the time when he most needed it. Why? Education makes a man self-sufficient, independent, not dependent on others. और 21st century में खाली अक्षर ज्ञान से इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं बनोगे. आपको लिटरेट, डिजिटली लिटरेट, मीडिया लिटरेट, टूल लिटरेसी, ये सारे कंपोनेंट्स आपके अंदर लाने पड़ेंगे. Even in adults, more so in children, more so in the students of today. And many a times schools don't cater to all of these, sadly. They will still stick to the Paint, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever, the basic things. They are not talking of cloud. They are not talking of digital storage. Anyways, next. Okay, I'm coming to the fag end of my presentation. I think 30 minutes is what I had planned for, and yep, I should be sticking to that. I got nearly 3 minutes. Preparing students with key skills. बातें तो बहुत की. What does it hold? Please do not refer the slide. What we are trying to say is, आज के दिन में we have an overdose of information. Overdose हो जाता है. I think I skip a lot of WhatsApp messages. आज के दिन में 40-50% तो मैं पढ़ता ही नहीं. I think many of you would be doing that. If you're busy, you don't have time to read. वो करने बैठूंगा, I think I should leave my job and probably just keep on reading the messages. So there's an information overload. But आज के दिन हम तो ठीक है adults है, बच्चों को ये unfiltered form में जा रहा है. They are not able to decipher what is right and what is wrong. क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. And everything is coming through their smartphones, through the internet, and it's coming bypassing you. Believe me, it's coming bypassing you. So there is always a chance कि हमारे बच्चों को ये unvalidated information आ रहा है, वो सही कर रहा है, गलत कर रहा है. How much role is it playing in their development, good or bad? That's a big question mark, and we need to be concerned about that. I think we need to teach children what is young age पे, maybe they are when they are in 5th, 6th, what is digital banking, what is phishing, what is banks will never ask you your PIN code or whatever. कहाँ सिखाते हैं? I think हमारे 12th तक तो हम अपने बच्चों को अपना ATM कार्ड भी नहीं देंगे. Many a times we feel कि नहीं, they are not competent enough. But times are changing. We need to make them literate. The same thing holds true for whatever comes in the internet. We need to discuss with them the pros and cons of that. Next. So it's a more like education or literacy. Literacy, the literal meaning was the ability to read and write, the ability to use. Now this was 18th to 20th century में ये सारी definitions were good enough, like 200-300 साल ये चल रहा था. But times are changing real fast. And literacy is now knowing कि मुझे ये काम करना है. मुझे कोई 2 मिनट में मुझे सचिन तेंदुलकर की बायोग्राफी निकालनी है. I would not use Google. I will use Wikipedia. I know which tool to use for what job. There has to be, आपके बच्चों को इसमें प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना है, इसमें ये करना है, ये वीडियोस और ऑडियो को एम्बेड करना है, ये सोशल प्रोजेक्ट करना है. आई एम नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग ऑफ द इंटरनेट एंड डिजिटल पार्ट. हमारे बच्चों को कौन सा टूल कहाँ यूज करना है वो आना चाहिए. दैट इज रियल लिटरेसी इन द 21st century. मेरे पास वो स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, बट माई टीम मेंबर हैज दैट स्ट्रेंथ. कैन आई कोलैबोरेट एंड स्टिल गेट द जॉब डन? दैट्स लिटरेसी. That's literacy, that's education, that's management, that's strategy. It's not just the degrees. It's not just these things. I think good pedagogy, which is teaching them in a good way, teaching them how to learn. हम बच्चों को इतने सारी books पढ़ाते हैं, but we have forgotten to teach them how to learn. Learnability is a skill which we need to teach our children. How to learn. Learn to learn. I would say learn to learn, and that would help the child keep on continuously learning himself or herself. Next. So summing up, literacy, okay, the person who reads actually they achieve two things, or they know two things then afterwards. Reading is worthwhile, and they are worthwhile because आपके अंदर content है. Reading can be from the book, from the newspaper, from the TV, from your EPUBs or whatever, your phone or whatever. Reading, knowledge assimilation, what to read. पहले तो हम लोग के पास एक DD channel था and we were forced to see whatever they were showing. Now, I think if you even want to do engineering, the whole of MIT US ka course is available on the internet. You can become an engineer just being seated in your house and having a data connection in internet. But you should have the will to learn. And you should know how to learn. So learning how to learn is very important. Learning literacy is important. Literacy does matter. Literacy can make a difference. Whatever is the question, I think literacy is the answer. I'm not debating that. I'm just saying there's a paradigm shift in what literacy means in the earlier ages and in the 21st century. As far as Rotary is concerned, because my wife has been associated with Rotary, we have tried to incorporate all these things in the local club. We have had our Rotary members and spouses teach soft skills to underprivileged children. Otherwise, I mean, it's not just academics. Just the marks are not going to help that boy or girl prosper in their real life. हम लोग अक्षर ज्ञान करके बहुत ज़्यादा अचीव नहीं करने वाले हैं. And I think Rotary is an organization where there are highly educated members and spouses. Why don't we leverage that strength? And maybe if you are a chartered accountant, you say that in 1 week I'm going to go to maybe 2 hours I'll dedicate to some schools where I'll teach about what chartered accountancy is. I'll tell them there are not more than 4 lakh chartered accountants in India. There's a severe shortage. भाई chartered accountant बन जाओ. बहुत easy way है. नहीं तो आपके वो 2 घंटे के लेक्चर से वो child might go to CA and leave MBA. But otherwise वो MBA के चक्कर में जाएगा. He or she might go to a substandard college and the pura career might go to for a toss. Life skills, spouses, members, lady members can contribute. Everything, these are structured modules which you can incorporate. 1.5 घंटा, 2 घंटा per week, you give it to privileged schools, underprivileged schools, in your town, in your city, in your locality. You conduct these classes and believe me, children will really shine. Children will be more confident. Children will truly merge with the 21st century. Finally, I think I would like to end my session, because my buzzer had called off, with some words from a learned person called Yong Zhao. It's pertinent to the topic of today, literacy. He says, reading and writing should be the floor. Reading and writing should be the floor. It cannot be the ceiling. There's a lot what you can build upon from that base foundation. And I think that's what organizations like Rotary, organizations like Ma Foundation, a lot of our projects are being replicated by corporates like Adani Foundation, Shroff Foundation, it's KR Shroff Foundation, Ramakrishna Mission, GHCL, a lot of corporates, and we work on a massive scale. I'm not going to be talking on our projects because I think it's pertinent that we talk of one of the 6 pillars of Rotary, which is literacy. And a lot of our projects would be available on www.mafoundation.org. Just to share with you, the government of Gujarat gave us the best CSR award this February. And it was after a very lengthy process where validations were done by PwC. Then we had our presentations in Gandhinagar. They did the site visits. And finally, they conferred the Gujarat CSR Authority Award, the GCSRA award. It just talks of, but we do our work very silently. We do partner with like-minded organizations. And I'm just happy to be here in this beautiful, clean city. I think I can see the future of India in Indore. I hope all the towns and cities replicate this model, and we have a better, cleaner environment, city, and a world where our children will grow up in. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.